Okay, so this is after I've taken the spark plugs out, which were definitely wet with fuel. I took them out, I cleaned them off, I dried them off. Um, I cranked the engine while the spark plugs was out. I put the spark plugs back in. Still no start. I do have fuel in both sides of my tank, even though my meter says that there's a quarter tank, and also, well, now it says less than quarter of a tank. Okay, so also the fuel pump is brand new, never been used. I just installed it because initially I thought that was the problem. Uh, I definitely can hear the fuel pump come on. I checked the pressure at the rails and it shot out pretty good. Uh, then I primed it again and it shot out pretty good. I don't know now. And it still sounds like it wants to crank every now and then. Let me give an example. You hear the stuttering? That's with my foot on the pedal, foot off of the pedal. I don't know. Could it be the crankshaft position sensor? Relay is fine. I checked the relay. Everything is cool. I don't know. And sorry about the crappy camera. I'm using my phone and it has like water damage. So yeah. Any help would be great.